Welcome to the Help Your Team Help You podcast. Today we will speak about a communication technique which is graded assertiveness. Graded assertiveness and PACE, P-A-C-E, are communication techniques used to raise safety concern in high-risk environment. Graded assertiveness is a step-by-step approach that starts with a hint and progresses to a command if the concern is not addressed. PACE is an acronym for probe, alert, challenge, and emergency. Here are some examples of graded assertiveness. Hint: should things look like this? Preference: I think it would be wise to. Query: what do you think we should do? Shared suggestion: you and I should. Statement: we need to do the following. Command: do this now. Here are some examples of PACE. Probe: I'm not sure. Alert: could we double check? Challenge: is there a reason for? Emergency: for the safety of the patient, we must. It is important to note that you do not have to go through all the steps in graded assertiveness. You can stop as soon as you get the response you need. It is also important to avoid speculating on the other person's reasons or motivations. The focus is on establishing a mutual understanding of the situation and identifying the implication for safety. Effective teamwork depends on all team members being able to assert their ideas and opinions. This requires a cooperative environment where team members feel safe to do so. Assertiveness and cooperation are the responsibility of all team members, not just the team leader. By using graded assertiveness or PACE, you can raise safety concerns in a clear and direct way without being aggressive or accusatory. This can help to ensure the safety of everyone involved. Thank you and see you in the next podcast.